Good morning. Welcome back. So today I'll teach you mathematics. In mathematics I'll teach you probability. Before starting with probability, I simply want to tell you that how do you solve the questions of probability. So probability, basically the formula of probability is probability equals to what? Number of favorable condition upon total condition. Now we will do it. Now you see on the board that what I have told you, probability equals to number of favorable condition, means which type of condition you want, that is number of favorable conditions upon total condition. Now simply take an example of a coin. When you spin a coin, what is the probability of getting head? So when you are spinning a coin, the question is asking what is the probability of getting head. So the formula is probability equals to number of favorable condition upon total condition. So when you spin a coin, what is the favorable condition is head. Means you don't need tail, you only need head. So your condition is only one, that is favorable, because you want head. Upon total condition. Total condition is how many? Either head will come or tail will come. So total condition is what? 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay. So this is the probability when you spin a coin and a probability of getting head is 1 by 2. And same case, if somebody asks you what is the probability of getting tail, that is equals to also 1 upon 2, and 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 1. Okay. Now take an example of a dice. You all know what dice is. Dice is having 6 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if somebody says you, if you roll a dice, what is the probability of getting 2 and 3? Now again the same formula will come into play. The number of favorable condition. How many conditions are favorable to you? Either you get 2 or you get 3. Otherwise 1, 4, 5, 6 all is not favorable. So favorable condition is how many? 2 upon total condition. So in a dice, how many numbers are there? 6 numbers are there. So 2 upon 6. That comes out to be 1 upon 3. So you have to simply remember one thing, that probability means your formula of probability is number of favorable condition upon total condition. Now if you want to take out the probability of head when you spin a coin, so favorable condition is 1 and total condition is 2. And same case with the dice. What about you getting 2 and 3? So favorable condition are 2 and total condition are 6, so it comes out to be 1 upon 3. Now these are very basic. I have told you the basic. Now if I will ask you, in a deck of playing cards, what is the probability of getting a red card? So you know, in total number of cards in deck are 52. Now question is saying find out the probability of getting a red card. You know, in 52 cards, 26 are black and 26 are red. Now you have to take out the probability of red card. So formula is what? Number of favorable condition. Means out of these 26, any card will come, then it is a red card, and then what we have to find out the probability of that. So your favorable conditions are how many? 26. upon total condition, and total condition are how much? 52 cards are there, so it becomes 52. 1 upon 2. That is your answer. Now, these all are just a starting of this chapter, that number of favorable condition upon total condition. So you must learn this, because if you don't know this, you cannot do anything. Next example. If I say you, in a deck of cards, again I am taking what? In a deck of cards, what is the probability of getting a red king? Red king, how many kings are there in a card? Total there are 4 kings, out of which 2 are black, 2 are red. So you have to take out the probability of red king. So formula is what? Number of favorable condition upon total condition. Favorable condition is how much? 2. Total cards are there 52. Comes out to be 1 upon 26. These are what? When you are taking card as a whole, means full deck. Now if I say, what is the probability of getting a red king out of red cards? Now in red card there are 2 kings, so it will becomes 2 favorable condition. But total condition now not become 52, because I am saying you have to take out the probability of a king in red cards only. So red cards is how many? Red cards is 26, because 26 are red and 26 are black. So it comes out to be 1 upon 13. So whenever you have to do this, first you have to take care about the number of favorable conditions. Means whatever you wish, which type already you have to make it out. Then you have to take the total condition. In this case, if you take 2 upon 52, because total condition is total card 52, so you can take 52, but if you take 52, then your answer will be wrong, because you have to calculate the probability of red king from red cards. So total red cards are how much? 26. Okay. So this is main thing. If you remember this, you can do the things. Now, if somebody says, if you spin a coin, what is the probability of getting neither head nor tail? Listen the question. If you spin a coin, what is the probability of getting neither head nor tail? Now tell me, if you spin a coin and he is saying that neither head will come nor tail will come. So what is the favorable condition? How many are the favorable condition? When you are spinning a coin, neither head come nor tail come. So you simply say 0, because whenever the coin will spin, it will either be head or be tail. So favorable condition is how many? 0. Total condition is how many? 2. So answer will be 0. And if it is change the question, he will say that if you spin a coin, what is the probability of getting either head or tail? Means what? Earlier he was saying neither head nor tail. So our favorable condition becomes how many? 0. Now he is saying either head or tail. Now the favorable condition has become 2. And total condition is 2. It will become 1 will be the answer. So this I have done simply the starting of what? Probability. But depend on this, you have to do other things, and that I will teach you in next class. So thank you for today, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.